How do you know you are in Macau when you start seeing Portuguese? Made it to Macau.
Yeah, I had this very same question because I did not know about Macau up until I decided that I will be going to Hong Kong. And of course, the next sensible thing after I found out that this place exists was for me to search if South Africans can go there visa free. And guess what? It is visa free. And so I was like, okay, where the hell is this place? It's mainland China, it's Taiwan, it's Hong Kong, and then it's Macau. And so I decided.
Right outside the terminals, the ferry terminals, there are buses going to different hotels and attractions, and they are free. So that is a plus. And it is fairly known for its casinos. It is a very small island. Part of it is an island, and part of it is connected to mainland China. Less than 1 million residents in Macau. It is known for casinos and its shopping. You know, it is coined the Las Vegas of Asia. So, yeah. This is actually inside the hotel. Look at this. This is indoors. It looks like it's outside. My goodness, even the lighting is agree. What? It's like you're in Rome, but you're in Paris, but you're also in London. My advice is do not go inside these casinos or hotels because you will walk and walk. There are no exit signs. Uzohamba. You know, they all encourage you to just buy, to just shop. Hang it then. No, I will. You know, when urban designers say cities must be pedestrian friendly, this is what they mean. You will walk. What? How can a block be a whole 500 meters? Dare I say a kilometer? Yee. This is like the old version of Macau, away from the casinos. This is where you have the old architecture and establishments and some few restaurants and shops here and there. This is beef offal, Mualam Road. It's very popular. Every other store is selling this. Nando's. Yeah, hi guys, we are going to the ruins. Thank you. Y'all can see what's inside. Oh my goodness, this place is packed. What? You can know what you want to say. designed for you to spend money. This place demands that you open your wallet and you spend money. I'm not happy about that because I'm not even spending big, but what? It is designed to spend money. I swear. I'll give it to someone special. How was your Christmas, guys? How did you celebrate Christmas? Leave a comment below to tell me how was Christmas, how was the food. Now we are the grown-ups in the family, so we have to do the cooking. I mean, if I was in South Africa, so did you cook? If you are in South Africa, how was Christmas? Advice if you want to come to Macau is that make sure that you buy a return ticket before you leave Hong Kong, because I bought that when I was on the ferry. And make sure, I think it's easier for you to do this by going on a bus instead of a ferry. And also make sure that you get a SIM card, because without a SIM card it is hectic. It is not ideal, promise you. So get a SIM card and make sure you book your return ticket, and make sure you know where you're going to get the bus to return back or the ferry, because it can be tricky. Guys, I just got back from that direction, but I see this Cape Town. I need to go see this Cape Town. What was it? Cape Town? Was it the houses? Let's go see. I'll be back. Is this Cape Town? Where in Cape Town? Oh, is that Cape Town hook up? I think it's that one. Let's see. Oh, is this Cape Town? That's not even Cape Town. Where in Cape Town? Do you guys see the Cape Town that they're talking about? I mean, I see it. Like, in most towns in South Africa, you'll see these types of railings in like the old part of the town. But to say it's a design, you know, that is particularly from Cape Town. I don't know, I'm not an architect, but but this beer though, what? Frozen beer? Should have came for this. Look guys, I see huts. What is the Cape Town they're talking about? That's true, because I mean, I'm not mad. It is the Africana. The Africana barbecue. What? Look at this. The Africana barbecue restaurant. There's even someone with the Zulu shield and they're dancing. My goodness. What? You guys can't see, but it's hot. And they're even painted. But Cape Town? Why Cape Town? I don't even think this place exists in Cape Town. But there are hearts there. And there's painting and all of that. Oh my gosh, Nila, Pa. You guys can't see because it's at night, but it's there. But why Cape Town? Anyway, this side we have the Lisboa, which is Macau. You can't see it clearly, but it's here. Guys, we have Cape Town here, and then we have Africana here. So maybe that Cape Town that I was talking about is actually Cape Town, but I don't see it. I don't know, maybe you guys see it, but I don't see it. That, ladies and gentlemen, that is all from me from Macau. I'm tired. I'm gonna take the bus back to Hong Kong and hope everything goes smoothly. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you ever find yourself in Hong Kong, please do check out Macau. It's totally different from Hong Kong in a very abstract way. So please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next vlog.